Good afternoon. This is my compendium task 2, group 15. This is my presentation on the Morphosis Practice. This presentation consists of Reese Joof, Mohammed Sharif and Michelle Morgan. This is my description of Morphosis and the history behind the practice. Morphosis was founded in 1972 by the well-known architect Tom Mayer, and still to this day serves as the design director of the company. Morphosis Practice is involved in a large amount of advanced and iconic designs that are very eye-capturing and engaging for those that visit the site. There are more than 60 professionals working within the firm that are committed to the practice of architecture. Morphosis are involved in a large range of projects from institutional, residential, civic buildings, large urban planning projects, and also worldwide projects as well. As social, cultural, and technological conditions evolve and advance, Morphosis Practice also does the same, so to keep up to date with the advancements within the field. Over the number of years that Morphosis Practice has been opened, it has received a number of architecture awards, from the Progressive Architecture, American Institute of Architecture, also known as the AIA, and also a number of other recognitions and honours. Morphosis has not only obtained a number of awards, their work has been published and also exhibited all around the world. Shown below are the partners of the company, with Tom Mayer being the founding partner and also Brandon Welling being the managing partner. Here is shown the Bloomberg Center at Cornell Tech and the Bill and Melinda Gates Hall. The Bloomberg Center at Cornell Tech was designed between 2012 and 2014, then proceeded with construction in 2015 to 2017. The location is 2W Loop Road, New York, 144, USA. The type is educational and the client is Cornell University. Next we have the Bill and Melinda Gates Hall. This was designed in 2010 till 2011 and then construction took place in 2012 to 2014. The location of this building is the Bill and Melinda Gates Hall campus, New York 14853 US. The type is educational and the client is Cornell University. Next we have 7132 Hotel, Entry Canopy, and the Cologne One and Only Tower. The 7132 Hotel Entry Canopy was designed in 2015 to 2016 and then constructed in 2016. The location is 7132 Hotel and Firm, Vals, Switzerland. The type is commercial and the client is 7132 Ltd. Next we have the Cologne One and Only Tower. This was designed in 2013 to 2015, then constructed in 2015 to 2018. The location is South Korea. The type is commercial offices and the client is Cologne Institute. The Bloomberg Center is really the home base of the campus and really set the bar high for the rest of the campus. The main influence of this building is sustainable living. I do believe the architects really did achieve this, with power entirely generated on campus. The goal of this structure is to make it one of the largest net zero energy buildings in the United States. This building also includes rooftop photovoltaic aero systems and geothermal heating and cooling systems. This is the Bill and Melinda Gates Hall, and at first I just want to say I really did enjoy and love the look of the model in the bottom right hand corner, and how they split the model into two so you can see not only the outer leaf of the building but also the inner internals of the building. During the design phase of this building, the architects received a lot of input from the senior staff of the Bill and Melinda Gates Hall. The architects were asked to create a non-traditional working space that enabled a lot of natural light to somewhat freely enter the building so that ideas could flow and work conditions were as optimal as possible to increase productivity and work efficiency. Also, a lot of curved line intersecting with linear angles were used, a lot of glass and light, not just in the common collaboratory areas, but in every office, lab, and teaching space. And I think that this is a very good idea, so it would freely let light pass through and illuminate the building. This is 7132 Hotel entry canopy, and just during the design process for this building, Morphosis has envisioned a new hotel room concept next to the Peter Zumthor's firm Valor Spa. The architects even used the same materials for the new luxury hotel rooms. And if we just look again at the bottom right hand corner, we can see a beautiful model, and then at the bottom left we can see a beautiful site plan. Now we are looking at the Colon One and Only Tower. The Colon Group is an innovative and diverse organization that contains up to 38 divisions. This stems from research, product construction, and also material manufacture. Because of the range and the broadness of their practice, they wanted to have a facility where they will be able to have researchers, designers, and leadership all in one location. The two images on the right hand side are the outside and also the inside of the Column 1 only tower. Below that we can see a beautiful model of the Column 1 and only tower, and also the site plan and plans. The influences on their work. Morphosis strives to be innovative and also like to be relevant in their work, also striving to be better and better. I believe one of the main influences is their technology and how they have implemented this into their construction, into their architecture design. We can see within many of the buildings how they use new construction methods and new innovative ways so to supply a more eco-friendly way to power their buildings. For example, the Bloomberg Center at Carnell Tech. Here are our personal opinions on Morphosis. In my opinion, when first researching and viewing some of Morphosis designs and buildings, I was very surprised on how eye-capturing and aesthetically pleasing these buildings are, and how they use new technology and new methods to create their buildings. Even from the design phase, where they create beautiful and detailed models that not only show you the outer shell of the buildings but also the inner shell. This includes the different necessities within the building. This allows you to have a better visual and feel for the building before construction takes place. This not only allows this, but it also allows the client to really engage and understand their building and how it will look and function. I also very much like how they are using more energy saving and environmentally friendly construction methods to build their building and also power their buildings. Thank you for listening. That has been my presentation on the Morphosis practice.